Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can restore deleted projects on the Video Star app. So click on the trash button here, and as you can see there are two projects in trash. You can either delete them all, but to restore you're just going to select the project you want to restore and then press reload, and then it's going to ask again, would you like to move the project out of the trash? You are then going to press reload, and if you press done, the project will be restored to your sort of project placement. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!